Keep seeing videos that don't interest you on your TikTok For You page? We're here to help you fix that. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to dislike videos on TikTok to get better suited results on your For You page. Now let's get started. Open the TikTok app and check out your For You page. Keep scrolling until you see a video you're not as fond of and would prefer not to see more videos of that nature in your feed. Once you find one, tap the Share button on the right. In the menu that appears, select Not Interested. This lets TikTok know that you don't like that video and will inform them not to show you similar videos in the future. Continue doing this whenever you come across a video you don't like on TikTok. Continuously indicating what you like and don't like on TikTok will result in a For You page that's better tailored to your own interests. That's all it takes to dislike videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.